The full TV experience is not just about what you see, but also what you hear. Regardless of the content, sound is what completes the overall viewing experience. Check these 2 points to ensure the best TV sound. First, see if the TV's AI can automatically scan your space and analyze the content to optimize sound. Second, notice the sound on your TV, tracking the object's movement. Checking whether the surround sound effectively envelops your space is also crucial. And simply by adding a soundbar, experience harmonized audio from the TV and soundbar working together. Remember to check the sound quality for an exceptional listening experience.